Hi friends, today we are going to paint something different, an abstract landscape. Using these colors, with the magic and the help of the magic of acrylic colors, we are going to paint a very different and beautiful landscape, very easy and step by step. As always, in all my videos, you can see how I mix colors in the palette, and so you can copy or paint with me your own painting. Abstract painting is not always just lines and paint over some board. No, abstract may appear slightly real, and this is very magic for me. I really love this effect, and you'll see in this landscape. Okay, you see colors that not match in our reality, but somehow this landscape may appear real. As you see, you can mix colors on your own canvas. In this time, this is paper, special paper for paint with acrylics or oils. But you may use canvas or a whiteboard or whatever you have. With acrylics, you may paint even on your windows. Really. Okay, this is yellow, lemon yellow. Always clean your brushes as many times as you need, and I always have a piece of cloth in my other hand to clean and my brushes and go taking off the excess of water. Okay, this part will be more lighter to gain contrast. Remember, all acrylics have the same problem. And what problem is this? No, they have two problems. No one, two. First, acrylics dry fast. So you have to paint fast or in small parts of your painting. And the other problem with acrylics is always the same, is acrylics are bright, very bright when we are painting with them because they contain a lot of water. But when this water evaporates, your painting may lose its brightness. So it's advisable, is a very important tip, that you left your painting dry completely and before to finish it. And then when it is very dry, you will see how dark your painting can be, and you can correct it and paint over your painting. Another tip when painting with acrylics is paint with a lot of paint in your brushes. Don't take little bits of painting. Take a lot of paint, okay? Lots of paint. Now I let it dry, I clean my water, I clean my palette, I clean my brushes, and 60 minutes and a coffee after, I start painting the trees in this way. Just brush strokes, rough brush strokes. Don't overwork it and leave parts not painted, so you can see the sky, okay? Now, let's continue. What do you think? Do you like these videos? This video is shorter than other videos of the channel, but it is not accelerated. Okay, let's continue with this. Violet to make leaves. Wow. Now some brow strokes here. No detail at all. No details. Okay? Now we almost have the head of our trees. Don't make too much detail. Now, as you are pleased with this, take and with this part of the brush, make the trunks, okay? This way, easy. Don't make this. Don't make details. Loose, okay. Perfect. We do have these trees against the light of the sun in this sunrise or sunset, whatever you wish. Okay. If you wish I paint something different, you may put in the comments. I'll always read all my comments. And not always I answer because I don't have much time, but I always read, okay? Okay, the shadows of the trunks are now painted in perspective, forced perspective. And now I leave you the rest of the video to paint at your pace, and I hope you'll be very happy and paint a lot, and see you in my next video. Be very happy. Bye.